Now there are some promising efforts underway. In Qatar, the Genome Program is actively linking universities and hospitals to map genetic risk factors. Saudi Arabia's AIMRC works alongside King Saud Dynasty on biomarker discovery. In the UAE, Mohammed bin Rashid University partners with Cleveland Clinic Abu Dhabi to explore novel drug targets, and Oman Sultan Qaboos University is beginning to collaborate with local clinics. However, challenges persist. Data sharing remains sporadic, uh, funding lacks consistency, and the talent pipeline, especially in neuroscience and AI, is underdeveloped. While international collaboration with Harvard or the Mayo Clinic do exist, intra-regional connections are thin. What's needed now is a structured Gulf-wide policy framework that turns this scattered progress into a cohesive movement.
Artificial intelligence must sit at the heart of this collaborative ecosystem. AI can analyze thousands of brain scans and genomic sequences, revealing patterns invisible to the human eye. Imagine a scenario where hospitals upload brain imaging data, research institutes run AI driven analysis to identify early stage neurodegeneration, and universities validate the models clinically. This triangle of action could redefine early diagnosis in the region. Moreover, we can expand inclusivity through mobile research units. These can be deployed in rural Oman and Saudi Arabia, collecting health data from underserved populations and feeding it into centralized research centers. Paired with AI translational tools and voice interfaces, even communities with language barriers can contribute meaningfully. And an annual Gulf Neurodegeneration and AI in Gulf Summit would bring together researchers, clinicians, policymakers, and tech innovators to share findings, set priorities, and drive strategic alignment. As we look ahead, one thing is pretty much clear. The path to defeating neurodegeneration in the Gulf depends on connection. If we can align our universities, research institutes, and hospitals under a single AI powered vision, we won't just keep pace with global research, we'll lead it by breaking down silos, sharing data securely, investing in talent, and embedding AI throughout the system. We're not just talking about innovation, we are building a future where collaboration leads to cures. So, thanks for joining me today on neurodegeneration and AI in the Gulf. In our next episode, we'll discuss patient centered care, support systems, and how technology and empathy can co create a more hopeful future. Stay curious, stay engaged, and let's keep unraveling the future together.